Okay, so first we're going to section our hair into a right angle triangle. We're just going to section into a right angle triangle, which is a diagonal line and a straight line. That is a right angle triangle. That's like parting a circle into 4 halves. That's it. What? Okay, into 8 halves. That's what I mean. So here I'm just trying to part it into a right angle triangle. You make a straight line, make a diagonal line, then you part it by the middle, and this is what a right angle triangle looks like. So when you're done with that, we're just going to make our first section for our number 4. That is, we're going to part it into 2, but we're just going to make a little part, not down the middle, a little part, a little to the right. So here we have our 2 parts for the base of our number 4. Now for the crossing parts, for the lower part of our number 4, we're just going to part a little vertical line. Like, we're just going to make parts from the back of the head to the front of the head, and this is the section I'm using. Just a little line, just so the base of number 4 can go in, and this is one part. This is the third part of the sectioning. So when you're done with that, we're just going to part another line downwards. That is where the end of the number 4 will be. That's like the tail of the number 4, where you parted your first braid. You're just going to part it downwards again, because that's where the leg of the number 4 will stay on. So when you're done with that, this is the sections that you're supposed to get, like just this ones, and then the other ones are for the other braid that you're going to add it into the hair. So when you're done with that, we're just going to start by braiding the vertical line. That's the dash line from the back of the head to the front of the head, and then we're just going to follow the diagonal line, and we're going to weave it downwards, and that is how we make our number 4. Well, if my grammar is just too much, you're going to understand it through the video. But first of all, weaving from the back of the head to the front of the head, and then you just follow it into the diagonal part that we made. And when you're done with that, we just weave it down, and then you're gonna weave it down to like the end of the part that you made. As you can see, our number 4 braid is already coming out, and it's very pretty. Yes, so this is our number 4 braid. Okay, so as you can see, it's so simple, very, very simple. Now we're just going to weave in the other sections. Just going to weave the second sections and to incorporate it into a braid for our hairstyle. Well, you're just going to wait to the end of the weaving, and then you see what the hair looks like. So this is what the hair looks like, and I'm just going to add some designs to pop up our number 4 color, our number 4 braid. So I use a gold rope for the braid, for the hair design, and you're just going to see how that's going to come out. I used my hoop to just pull the rope in and out of the hair. I didn't want to use crochet pin or sew it into the hair, so I just used my hoop to do this design, and you're going to see how this hair is going to come out. So guys, here I'm done with the hair and the design, and this is what it looks like. This is the before of the number 4, and this is the after I added the design, and this is it.